Alright, this is my just completed Solsylva 25 by 37 router. Um, because of the wood I had to make it, it's going to be a 32 inch, 32 by 25 working surface because I only had 42-inch rails. Anyway, the main gantry and the X frame are all Ipe. Uh, I use aluminum for the sides of the Y-axis carriage. Also, PVC foam board or AZEC board for my router blocks. And I use some phenolic for some of the lead screw parts for the anti-backlash nuts. Um, the steppers are 425 inch ounce steppers from Xylotex. I use the Xylotex controller. We got Lovejoy couplers on the Y and Z axis, 1-to-1 direct pulley drive on the X. Over here, my computer is an old 1.6 gigahertz Pentium 4, RAM bus memory. You can see the Xylotex controller. You can see Mach 3 running here. I'm going to jog the X-axis. As you can see, I got rapids at about 230 inches per minute. I went as far as 450, but the steppers start to stall a little. I think there's a little bit of friction in my lead screw setup. Oh, there you can hear it over there. In one spot, I just gotta adjust the bearings, but for the most part, it runs pretty smooth. I have no clue how to run CAM software, so I haven't really ran anything on the table yet. But let me take a view over here so you can see the table moving. As you can see, it's pretty smooth. Oops. I think a lot of the smoothness and speed come from the fact that I used half-inch 8-start ACME screws with anti-backlash nuts from DumpsterCNC. Real cool guy. Anyway, you get a lot of speed from the screws without a lot of speed from the steppers, so you take advantage of the torque. But you lose a little bit in the resolution, I guess. Doesn't matter for me because I'm going to use this mainly for roughing stuff out and quickie work, and possibly build my next machine out of this. Anyway, that's it.